Noida Sector 142 dumping yard. It has been found in a garbage heap, we are told. The woman's age is estimated to be between 22 to 25 years, and the body has not been identified yet.
कल दिनांक 27/12/25 को थाना सेक्टर 142 पर डंपिंग यार्ड में एक अज्ञात महिला का शव पड़े होने की सूचना प्राप्त हुई। सूचना पर तत्काल पुलिस मौके पर पहुंची। फॉरेंसिक टीम भी मौके पर पहुंच गई और आवश्यक कार्रवाई किया गया। शव का पंचायतनामा करके पोस्टमार्टम करने के लिए भेजा गया। शव की शिनाख्त के लिए टीमें गठित कर दी गई हैं। शीघ्र ही शव का शिनाख्त करा करके आवश्यक वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
And more details are emerging. The woman's body, we are told, was stuffed inside a bag with her hands and legs tied. And that's why it is suspected that the woman was murdered and her body was thrown into this garbage heap in 142 in Noida. Police, as we were just putting out that reaction from the police, they have taken possession of this body and they have sent it for post-mortem. And it is only after the post-mortem we get to know exactly what has happened to this lady. She's died. The body was found in the dumps in Noida Sector 142 with her hands and legs tied and the body in a body bag. That is the latest that we are picking up as far as the suspected murder because of the fact that the body was found in this condition. The obvious conclusion that is being drawn by the investigating agencies, the police in this particular case, is that this was an orchestrated murder. But so far, no identification of the woman has been ascertained at the moment. There is no ID that was found on her person, and that is what is making matters more difficult for the police as well. My colleague Simran Babbar is joining us with all the latest. Simran, very, very gruesome details that are emerging. A lady, all of 22 to 25 years old, no identification yet, and the body had her hands and legs tied in a body bag.
Well, very shocking, in fact, discovery that has been made near the Noida's 142 sector. And as rightly said, the details are gory, as we are learning at the moment, because in a disposable bag of black color is what we are learning. The police has confirmed after the information was received. The waste pickers firstly identified the body of the woman is expected to be of 22 to 25 years of age. While in fact the discovery of the body was made, the police has also confirmed that there was an attempt to conceal her identity, while her face was also in fact disfigured and her hand and her legs were tied inside that plastic bag. The police has given out an official statement in this regard, saying that after the waste pickers identified this body packed in a black disposable bag, after that the police teams have reached out and started investigating the matter while trying to identify the woman whose body has been found out near that main dumping city ground in Noida's 142 sector, while also the police has given out the details that the case will also be registered soon, as so far the identity has not been found as of now. But the police has started investigating this case after the discovery of this body of a young woman in Noida. Back to you.
Right, Simran. Thank you so much for those details. With that,